All right, today we're just going to go over the traditional barrel roll and a modified barrel roll. Contrary to what some people think, this is not a barrel roll. In today's video, we're going to discuss the combat barrel roll and the aerobatic barrel roll and how to do them. A barrel roll was a combat maneuver when dogfighting. When you were being pursued by another plane, you could come in, you go up over the top and back down around, and you would be behind the plane that was pursuing you, and you could shoot them down. Alright, so how do we do a combat barrel roll? You go up, straight across, come back down, and then you're right behind the plane that was following you. And that's just your traditional combat barrel roll. The cool part with doing aerobatic flying and stuff is you can do that same thing, but you can make it really cool, do it the whole length of the runway, less than 90 degrees. You just glide through and fly it out. This is a great maneuver to use with all different kinds of planes, your aerobatics, your old combat planes. Just get out and give it a try. Use your rudder and have some fun. For more videos like this and other tutorials, click the subscribe button below. This video was brought to you by RC Air and our Club Connect system. It's a simple club management system for remote control flying clubs. Helps you manage your personnel, events, promote your events, classifieds, you name it. If you have any questions or comments, email me at don@rc-air.com and I'll be happy to respond. Until next time, happy landings.